That was the best. Oh, another one. Oh yeah. What's up guys? Out here at Deer Creek Reservoir. Gonna do some bass fishing today with Shar, my wife. Super excited. As you can see behind me, there's a ton of fog on the water. Hopefully we can get a topwater bite and maybe a jerkbait bite. So let's see how many fish we can catch. Let's go. Got one. You see that? Yeah, he hit the topwater. That's awesome. Just a little guy. First one's always a struggle. Yeah, look at that. Fish landing violation. Boom, on the topwater. 3 or 4 casts in. Got one. Look at that. That is so cool. You want to cast that? What do you think, Shar?
He's just a baby.
Oh, nice, Shar. He slammed it. Smallmouth are tough little guys. Ooh, that's better than all mine. Good job, Shar. Yeah, nice. That's not a bad fish for Deer Creek. Shar with a nice smallmouth on topwater. That was the best. Oh, another one. Oh yeah. That is so cool. I'm just gonna roll mine in. Shar is killing him on this. That looked like a better fish. Good job, Shar.
Ready?
Oh, that's a big largemouth. That's a nice largemouth. Charlissa. Holy crap. Ooh, that's a good fish. Holy Shar. Give me a 5.
That is a good one.
That is a great fish. Hold him up. Just get past that. There you go. Hold him up for the camera. And there you go. On the top water. 2 fish, 2 casts. Let's get him in the live well. We're gonna get a picture with a couple good ones. Good job. You're awesome. No. First cast. First cast with that one. Little largemouth.
Olson with his 3rd fish, now at a total weight of 5.3 ounces.
Shar. Well, because I was looking down. There's fish. See, he was right on that rock point. Yeah. Yeah. What you think, Shar?
He's okay.
He's aight.
Dang it.
That's what I thought. Score tracker update.
Olson at 4 fish.
Another little largemouth with my girl.
Uh-oh.
Whoop. Yeah. Oh, just a little guy. Come on, do a boat flip. Yeah. That was your first boat flip.
And I failed.
Good job, babe.
Scared.
Okay, show him to the camera. It's probably almost a pound. Non-scoreable bass. Okay.
That is to a scoreable bass.
Okay, let's see a fish toss.
Oh, I want to weigh him.
All right, folks. I'm calling 13 ounces.
I want a real ref.
Shar is saying a pound. Okay.
So close.
Oh my goodness.
Dang it.
15 ounces. Shar with her 1 pound, almost 1 pound, non-scoreable bass. Give it the old flip-a-flop. Boom. See how it works? Good job, babe. Char's out here catching non-scoreable bass. Look at that. Look at that. What did I just tell you? They're offshore. I just found a school of them right below us. Holy moly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at that largemouth. That was him. That was them right below us, for real. Char's got another one? Ooh.
Boat flip.
Yeah, yeah, that was awesome. Another largemouth. Yeah, show him to the camera. Get him real up in there. It's like a 4-pounder.
Huge.
All right, toss him.
I can barely hold him.
Toss him. That's hurting my fingers just watching it. Oh, belly flop.
I didn't mean to do that.
Did you see that boat flip?
Like a pro.
It was really bad. He hit the boat. Yeah. Another largemouth. Shark just got a bite too.
No.
Look, he's got a hole in his mouth. It's probably the same fish I caught like 100 times here. Oh, there's one. This feels like a good fish. Oh, he's not too big. He's decent though. Yeah. First fish on the jerkbait, first cast. Ooh, these trebles. I don't like them. How's that? How much you think that one weighs? Should we do another challenge? What you think? Pound 3?
1.5.
Okay, Char says 1.5, I say 1.3. What do we got?
Oh no.
Yeah, 1.3. Let's go. Double! I got a largemouth. Char with the bloat flip and me. Woo! Yeah! That was awesome.
Oh, your sandwich is gonna get so nasty.
Oh, my sandwich is gonna taste like
Bring him
fish.
this way.
Dude, he choked mine.
Bring him this way.
All right, Char. Let's see it.
On the same jig too.
Look at, let's see him. Whose is bigger? They're like cookie cutters. All right, let's toss them. 3, 2, 1. High five. Let's keep it going.
So who's next for things? You're on it.
See money. Feels a skosh bit better.
You want me to go think?
Oh yeah, grab the net. He's a little better. Nice smallmouth will look like. It's good fish. Hold on.
Scoop. Scoop a poop.
Yeah, that's 1.25 pounds. Pretty good fish. Look at the belly on this thing.
That's a pound.
Pound quarter? Let's check.
Those little wings.
Nice. 10 out of 10. Did you? Yeah, but he did like a triple front backflip. Wow, fish had it that entire time, just swimming with it. That was weird.
Do you want me to get the net?
No. Double? You might need to grab the net actually. He's peel and drag more than the others. Authority. This fish is a fighter.
Can you get the harpoon?
This fish is a fighter. I can't get him up. I can't do it, man.
Do you have the
I don't know if I've got him snagged or something.
tail rope?
Here he is. Oh, that's a pretty good fish. Not bad. He fought like he was 3 pounds. We've caught so many fish, my thumb's starting to hurt. Bassmaster Classic. Hey, Shar.
Don't do that. My hair's gonna smell like fish.
What's up, guys? Out here at Deer Creek, just finishing up, me and Shar. Had a pretty tough bite with the cold front that just came through. It rained all last night, so the bass didn't bite as well as they normally do this time of year, but we still probably caught 25 fish, I bet. Yep. Shar caught a 2.5 pound largemouth, which is her PB. Had a ball, had a good time. Till next time. Yeah, big girl back nice and smooth. See? Back. Whoop whoop. Kobe. Whoa. Go and toss him back.
Hi, fishy.
Back.